Speaker sir, stand by with regards to the private member resolution raised by our colleague Srimati Delilah Lobo. Honorable Minister and सांगला की डबल इंजिन तो एक इंजिन ऐक ना तो ते एक इंजिनिंग ओडोबा गरज हा दिसत म्हाका तो सांगत ते भाशेन इज एक्सप्रेसिंग हिज ये स्पीकर सर आम उलयलाय की देर इज नो पावर विथ दिस गव्हर्नमेंट बिकॉज सिव्हिल एव्हिएशन मिनिस्ट्री इज at the central, but intention kuda anu intention ha. So there are two things. One is to give incentives to the operators, to operate at Daboli airport. I personally communicate kortalo the CMO office to coordinate with all the operators. Indigo bhi kuni azun zalna maksad ek केल्या बरे तेंक incentive दिवपा Daboli retain करपा. Second thing, I met charged the affairs of officiating ambassador of the Embassy of India in Kuwait, Mr. Sanjay Muluka, and he has specially categorically said, I was there with the Goan Cultural Center Kuwait President Mr. Karmu Santos, and think gelo astana then am kut sangila charge the affairs and sangila that we are wanting a direct flight of Kuwait Airlines to Goa, and they have initiated our embassy in Kuwait, Embassy of India in Kuwait has initiated the dialogue with Kuwait Airlines. But they are waiting for the dialogue from our Goa government. And when we spoke this Arab Times, amgelo eklo goenkar John Fernandez mun tenwa Arab Times news dekho adlo. So amge initiative chukota. I request the Honorable Chief Minister to have the dialogue with the Embassy of India in Kuwait and with this ambassador over there to initiate this dialogue, and then the civil aviation can take that. Like Kuwait Airlines are the flight take
I will tell Honorable Minister.
And secondly, with all the operators, so that Daboli amgela urpak and tenka zatyo subsidy, kitkon ground staff maintain korwa. What are the ways that we can encourage to have more and more flights with more operators at Daboli, sir? Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, Kuwait तुझे जे आसा पळय coordination हांव कितें आतां करता दोन्ही म्हणजे फॉर द आमचे सिव्हिल एव्हिएशन मिनिस्टर द गव्हर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया आणि टुरिझम मिनिस्टरांच्या बरोबर करून ताका नवीन फ्लीट करपा खातीरूय बी आमी परमिशन जे आसा ते गव्हर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया कडल्यान घेता.